start using CBD? What if something goes wrong? How will I know if it's having an effect? If you've been wondering about these things, then this video is for you. Today we're going to share with you 5 tips that every beginner should keep in mind before starting their CBD journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what kind of a CBD product to begin with and how to measure its effectiveness on your body. If this video provides you any valuable information, please help us educate more people by sharing it. Number 1. Start with edibles. Edibles are a pretty direct and straightforward method of taking CBD. These are ready-to-eat food and drink items that are infused with CBD oil. Some common examples of edibles are gummies, chocolates, and drinks like tea and coffee. These have a preset amount of CBD and their dosage is fairly easy to administer. So if you're using CBD out of curiosity or as a wellness supplement, edibles would be the perfect product for you to begin with. However, if you're using CBD to target a particularly serious medical condition like anxiety, depression, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, epilepsy, etc., then edibles may not give you the desired results. In that case, oil drops or tinctures would be more suitable. Number 2. Start before bedtime. CBD is a relaxant. It relaxes our brain and promotes a sense of calm throughout the body. Therefore, it makes sense to take it right before hitting the bed. It will promote a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep and help the body deal with any changes calmly. Number 3. Start with a low dosage. This one is fairly obvious. Unless otherwise specified by your doctor, start with the lowest possible dose and increase it gradually according to your body's need. For example, 20 to 25 milligrams of CBD is a fairly simple dosage to begin with. However, please remember that the time that CBD will take to show an effect on the body will depend on the method of consumption. Therefore, please be patient before redosing as that might result in intense side effects. Number 4. Pick an isolate first. CBD isolates are the safest and easiest way to start your CBD journey. Isolates contain only and only CBD. With them, you don't have to worry about the psychoactive effects of THC because they don't have any THC. Moreover, because in the case of isolates only CBD acts on your body, you will be better able to judge its effectiveness. Number 5. Stick with one product. अगर एक प्रोडक्ट हमारे लिए काम ना करे तो हम एकदम से उसकी रिप्लेसमेंट होने लग जाते हैं. लेकिन CBD के केस में ऐसा करना might not be all that wise. Our body needs time to adjust to CBD and CBD needs time to adjust to our body as well. इस प्रोसेस को सिंपल रखने के लिए the best decision would be to stick with one product for at least 2 to 3 months. If you're starting your CBD journey with CBD edibles, stick to those for at least 3 to 4 months before shifting to another kind of product or increasing the dosage. Similarly, if you're starting your journey with tinctures or oil drops, stick to the lowest possible dosage and increase it gradually depending on how it is affecting your body. And that's about it. We hope this video added some value in your life and helped you gain a little bit of clarity. You can read more about such tips on our official blog, the link to which is in our bio. You can also visit our online store to buy all kinds of CBD products in India. We'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay healthy.